Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to view draft posts in LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn app on a mobile device. Then from here, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on your name. Here, scroll down until you see create a post. Go ahead and tap on it. If you have saved any draft, a message will pop up at the top saying you have saved draft. Just tap on that and you'll see your saved content ready to edit or post. And that's it. Now you know how to view your draft post on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.